Hi, my name is Alicia. I'm going to scroll back up here. I'm here to record for our Dudgeon Navigator assignment for our trees and graph. Okay. Anywho, so I did it in Java. So this is the Dudgeon Navigator assignment. So we have two parts. Our part one is tree-based hierarchy, DFS. And then our part two is a graph-based portal, BFS. So we have my public class, Dudgeon Navigator. This room class representing a node in the dungeon, initially used as a binary tree node, then expanded to a general graph node. So we have it here. A string, our name. We're going to add connections. And then for a secret portal, which is going to be a part two, it's going to connect our two-way. So we have an if statement here for not other connections contained this, other dot connections at this. So here's our part one, building the hierarchy, the tree. So this is the depth first search to list rooms in their levels. The room currently being visited, our current level, the current depth from the entrance, and then visited a set to handle potential cycles if used in the graph version. So I publish static void, list rooms, DFS, room, current, int for level, set rooms, going to have that list here, visited. I'm going to put it in an if statement, current equals null. Then we got visited, add our current, and it's going to print out room, and then it's going to give us the current name, level. And then we're going to move on to part two, finding the exit. This is going to be a BFS, or a breadth first search, to find the shortest path between the two rooms. We're going to have start for the starting room, exit for the target exit room, and we're going to return a list of rooms representing the shortest path, or a null if no path exists. So we're going to have it in that list of rooms. We're going to find the shortest exit BFS, another if statement, the null that we spoke of. And then we're going to initialize the queue with a path containing only the start node. So our list, and then new array list. Our initial path, we're going to add the start. We're going to queue up and add the initial path, visit and add start. We have a while loop here. If the queue is empty, we have our list here. We want to get the path size, and then -1. Okay, and then this is our goal check, then another if statement, if no room is visited, contains a neighbor. We also created a new path to the neighbor and add to the queue. So as you see here, and of course return null if no path is found. So here's our main. I put the main all in together with everything. This is going to help us run everything. So we got the setup tree, our interest in deeper rooms. We're just instantiate all of these things. Our recursive DFS to show levels. We add a secret portal creating a cycle and a shortcut connecting interest directly to the library, which was in level 2. And another if else statement. Right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just scroll all the way up. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and run this. I ran it earlier just to test, but we're going to see it rerun. And so it says part 1 for DFS. And you see entrance in the level, left hallway level, armory, right hallway. And then our part 2 for the secret portals, which shows BFS. And it's unlocking the secret portals. So I hope this was a good show of my Dudgeon Navigator assignment. Thank you.